If CapCut is showing a network error on Windows, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a simple step-by-step guide, so whether CapCut won't load properly, keep saying network error, or get stuck connecting, you can follow along and get back to editing. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable, or if you're using a mobile hotspot, confirm that the signal is strong and working properly. If you're on a school, office, or the public network, there's a chance the network is blocking CapCut's servers, which can cause this error. A quick way to test this is to try another network if you can, or switch to a different connection and see if CapCut starts working again. If the internet is fine and you're still seeing the error, the next step is to clear CapCut's cache. Open CapCut, go into Settings, and look for the Draft section. Under Draft, you should see an option to delete the cache. Click the Delete button next to the cache size to clear out temporary files that may be causing the network issue. This is a very common fix, especially if the app has been open for a long time or has stored corrupted data. After clearing the cache, give CapCut a moment to rebuild the files it needs. Now for the final step, fully restart CapCut. Don't just minimize it. Make sure you close the app completely. On Windows, you can also check the System Tray or Task Manager to confirm CapCut is fully shut down. Then reopen the app and try again. In many cases, a full restart will reconnect CapCut properly and remove the network error. If you followed all three steps, checked your connection, cleared the cache, and restarted the app, CapCut should be working much better now. If you still have issues, try restarting your computer as an extra step because that can refresh your network and app connections too. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes and CapCut tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.